Good morning. It's about 7 o'clock. I got tired at 6:20. I left the hospital at 6 o'clock. Had a very good night's stay. Got in, got a shower, got my stuff all cleaned up, got my heat rash and all my chafing and all that taken care of. Today will be a much better day, I hope, as far as that goes. But I am excited about Kinsmen and getting over it and getting to Franconia Ridge tomorrow. Weather looks good. Last night I came down the I was racing to make the shuttle last night, so I didn't do a lot of video or a lot of talking at the end. I came down Mustachio and the other side with all the waterfalls, took a lot of pictures of the waterfalls on the way down, and it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And today I'm just going to go it's real difficult to determine where to go to. I either got 11 miles, 13 miles, or 18 miles. You can't stealth camp. I mean, you can, but they don't encourage it, and you have to pay for the shelters here, and it's crowded. It's 4th of July weekend, and it's very crowded. So I don't know where I'm going to be able to go. So I'm just going, and I've been going about a mile right now, and I'm going to see how it goes, and stay real positive and just go. And I'll take as many pictures and videos as I can today. So we'll catch you down the trail. Okay, it's about, I don't know, 7 o'clock. That's Kinsmen, and these are all the rest of the mountains. This is the first good view this morning. It's not the best, but it is beautiful. Man, look at that. Look at that right there. Wow. Isn't that just grand? All right, moving on. There's a nice view for you. It's about all I can get. It's real hazy. It's hotter than hell up here too. Ooh. Okay, here I am, top of Wolf Mountain. Not a very good overlook, but you can still see the mountains I'm going to go across. I'm not for sure. That looks like Franconia Ridge right there, and that might be Washington. I don't know. Over there might be, or that might be. Well, that might be Lake of the Clouds too. All right, moving on. So I forgot to mention it yesterday, and I just forgot. I ran by, boy, the mosquitoes. I crossed 1,800 miles yesterday, right when I got picked up, and I also got less than 400 miles to go yesterday. So, and I didn't take pictures of it. I just forgot. So we're moving on. Here's another view for you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm in a power cut. That is just magnificent. All right. I hope you enjoyed it. Moving on. Here you go. I get to hike next to this mountain stream coming down the side of Southern Kinsmen for a while. There's supposed to be very pretty waterfalls. I'm going to try to take pictures of all of them as I come to them. So, if I'm able. But that's pretty. All right. Almost died right there. Moving on. Look at that beautiful waterfall. Man, that's what I get to walk next to, and I get to walk next to it on that. All right, one last look. It's a beautiful one. Moving on. There's another pretty one for you. Look at that. And it goes way up there. I can't get the whole thing in there, but it's really pretty. Here's another pretty one. I'm kind of above it, but you know, it's beautiful. Listen to that sound. All right, and here's the next one. Look at that. There's another pretty one. I just want to get a picture and a video of this. This is what I had to traverse to get up here. You see that ravine? Sorry. I had to come up this ravine creek bed. All right. All the way up that. All right, let me take a traverse all this. Just part of the landscape, part of the what you have to do to get up here. Now I got to get through this. Oh boy. Oh. Well, look at that. All the way up to my calf. Woo. All right. Where do I go from here? There's the swamp. All right. Talk to you later. So this is the trail, stream bed, going up Kinsmen to the southern summit. I just thought I'd show you some of this. Woo, is it rough? All right, moving on. Okay, here I am. This is the summit of Kinsmen South. I don't know what those are over there, but I think I'm probably going to go over them. I don't know what mountain that is. But there it is. Not much to see, but this is the summit. You got a great picture this way. Look at that. Okay, here I am, the North Summit viewpoint. And this is my view.
But she had to work. She's so cool.
Wow.
We hardly got to talk because I think they were waiting for us. I think they were like, okay, who's looking like raining on her like birthday? Oh, it's her friend Sam.
All right.
But yeah, I just got a picture of you and her and Dean and you and her. What were you and
It's a nice lake down there.
I didn't know he was spending time with Sam. That long-legged goddess. Oh my god. I know. She's like, I haven't showered in days.
Okay, so this is where I'm camping tonight. Actually not camping, I'm staying in a hut. I'm going to sleep on their floor. I'm going to do a work for stay. I got here, I did like 13 miles. And this is, I just took a bath in the lake, and this is where I'm at. This is my view for the night. Can you believe that? Look at that. So this is it. I'm going to take a video of the hut later for you guys. And apparently I get to clean out the freezer. That'll be my work for stay. 2 hours of work. I get fed dinner and breakfast for that. So, and then it's off tomorrow. So I was talking about that, those mountains over there, that ridge line right there. That's Franconia Ridge. And I will take an entire day to go across that. And I don't know when I'll be doing that, but I will be doing that. I'll probably start over here and go across over here. And apparently there's a hut and a campsite over here on this end that I'm going to have to stay at. It's I think it's a 25-mile day, I think. Something like that. So, but I will take lots of pictures of that. So this is the hut. And so this is the hut. This is the lower bunkhouse down here. That's the bathroom, and that's the upper bunkhouse up there. And this is the canopy porch here, and this is where the dining hall is in here, and all the staff stays in this area here. But the dining hall, I'm going to be sleeping in the dining hall tonight and eating with the staff. But this is the hut that I'm staying at. This